Hi everyone, and welcome back to the HomeAutomationX channel. As you can see, this is going to be another fun and exciting video because we have all these boxes in front of us, which we are going to unbox right now in front of you and give them all away to one lucky winner. Everything in this video can be yours. All you need to do is to be subscribed to the channel, which will give you a chance to win everything. We could keep these products, but it's our choice to give them away to you guys. There is no purchase necessary and you only need to be subscribed. However, if you want to support our channel, you can do so on our Patreon page, which will also give you access to our videos in advance and exclusive content like our bloopers. You only need to enter our contest once and you're good for all future unboxings. So we will pick our winner from the growing pool of entries. Click on the link in the description box below to get the details on how you can win all of these products. So before I go ahead and start unboxing these guys, I want to make sure you guys are subscribed if you yet haven't subscribed. Now click that bell icon to stay notified also, because we do release videos on a weekly basis and we do go live usually once a month, so if you want to stay notified for that. Also, if you don't happen to win any of these products, you can definitely purchase them on our shop, amazon.com/shop/x. Let's go ahead and get right into this. We have our X-Acto knife here, and I'm going to start with this. Oops, I think it's locked. There we go, got it. We're going to start with this big one right here. Usually it's best for last, but I can't wait to see what's inside here and show you guys. Okay. Whoops. This box is bigger than me. Okay. Whew. And heavier. Okay. So what do we have here in front of us? I'm just going to pull this right over here. So this is the Houzetek robot vacuum. And don't mind me, guys. I'm just going to be reading off of my notes here because unfortunately I am no robot. I don't know everything about all these products. But this guy here, let me just pull it out for you, is the robot vacuum cleaner for wet and dry mopping by Houzetek. The Amazon Echo controlled, or you can use it with your phone or your tablet for hard surface floors and thin carpets. It has a D-shaped design, as you can see, which can remove dust from corner to corner, and it's great for picking up hairs, debris, pets, hairs, and dirt easily. So it's a great addition to your home. It has 4 cleaning modes. So it has edge cleaning, it has spot cleaning, it has zigzag and random, and it also comes with a couple of these things here. So it comes with 3 extra brushes that you can attach, actually 4 brushes, didn't see the 4th one down there, and it also comes with a cleaning brush. It comes with a remote control. It comes with some adapter here to get you on your charging station. It comes with the mop, and it comes with an extra mop. And I think that's about it. We also have the HEPA filter here, which I totally didn't see on the side. But yeah, that's prize number 1. Get this big one out of the way while I break my back. Whew. Okay. Numero 2. What do we have in here? for you guys. So don't forget to check out our Patreon and be on our Patreon account so that you can enter. It's winter outside right now. As you can tell, I am like jaded. You could enter this giveaway. Now, this guy over here is the Smart Wi-Fi Door Opener by Meross. It connects to your existing garage door opener, and you can control it with your phone or your tablet. It works as well with your Amazon Echo, your Google Assistant, and your IFTTT. There's no hub that's needed. It detects the door, it opens and closes it with its provided sensors. You can simply just put this right above your garage, just like that. And yeah, that is that. All right, número 2. Another big one. Okay, this is something that was hard for me to give away, but I love all my subscribers so much, so it's like one of those Christmas gifts that you think about whether you should have kept it or not. It is the Cooling and Heating Water Propelled Eye Massager by Aurai. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks from the inside here. So this is what you put on your eyes, just like that. You live in a spa and this is where the water goes. Let me tell you guys a little bit about it here. So it is water propelled. It has unique water massage technology, utilizes circulation and waves to gently relax muscle tension around your eyes. It has cool and warm massage. The warm compresses and soothes the eye strain. The dry eye discomfort and improves sleep quality. I'm sure cell quality too. While the cool compress helps with dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Now the medical grade silicone, soft hypoallergenic silicone eye mask that molds to different face shapes and effectively delivers vibration and temperature in the most soothing way. And it is very simple to clean and easy to maintain. So that's awesome. Nice spa-like features in this HomeTech box giveaway. Now we have our 4th one. Okay, so this is a wireless 1080p security camera by Meko. And this security camera has an all-humanoid detection that effectively filters out invalid alerts. It also has a night vision and sound and motion detection. So when a sound or action is detected, an alert notification is pushed to the phone to help determine the response, such as a baby crying, your pet calling, or thieves. Ugh. So this is our little guy right over here. Looks like a little alien, and he comes with the usual charging wires and all that fun stuff. Okay, so número 5. I was trying to remember my French. Or is that Spanish? I don't even know anymore. Okay, well, we have the Ion Wireless Fast Charging Stand by iottie. It is QI certified. It has wireless fast charging for all the latest phones and QI-enabled devices. The Ion Wireless Stand is designed with a 65-degree tilt that allows for viewing content while charging wirelessly at home or in the office. It also has a soft feather fabric wrap design which coordinates well with your home, office, and your decor. Let me show you guys in here. So as you can see, it's very office-like, super cute. and it comes with all the other stuff. And that's that. All right, so number 6. So remember guys, if you guys want to win all these cool items, I think this giveaway is pretty fucking cool. Oops, did I swear? It's pretty cool. Bleep that out. It's pretty cool because of the vacuum. The vacuum's my favorite thing to give away, and the eye thing. So this here is a pack of 4 under the cabinet lighting by Unbox. And I'm going to show you guys in here. They are battery powered LED lights with remote control for under your cabinet, closet, or any tight space. I'm trying to open this without ripping it. I just don't want my viewers here to be upset if I rip their stuff. So I want it to be good as new. But yes, this is how the light looks. There's 4 individual ones, and you can turn them on or off by using the buttons, or you can also use the remote control here. And it is also dimmable with 10 brightness levels, so that's pretty cool. Nice to set the mood in your kitchen, or keep like a nice low dim light in your closets, or even above your baby's your baby's crib. I have multitasking problems, as you can tell. Okay, last but not least, we have our Wi-Fi smart plugs. It comes in a 4-pack. It's by Zuzi, and it's with energy monitoring function. So it's compatible with the Alexa, the Google Assistant, and the IFTTT. You can control your devices remotely with scheduled timers and functions. We show you how to do all of that. You can check out our other videos on smart plugs. And this is a must-have for a smart home. If you know and you watch all of our videos, this is the best way to get your smart home started. So all of the links are down below to all of these products. If you want to shop for them, you can check out our shop, amazon.com/shop/x. And if you want to win them for free, check out our Patreon account. And if you guys yet have not subscribed and you're new to our channel, subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out the rest of our videos here on the right, guys, and follow us on Facebook, on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget our website, HomeAutomationX.com. Bye, guys.